There you go, my peeps. Nice and dry, hopefully. Yeah, it's gonna look nice. Nice, man. Cool, man. All for free. Sweet. It's gonna look badass, man. It's gonna look super cool. Actually, I like the silver and the red and the black, man. Too bad I ran out, or else I would have painted some of these silver or aluminum. Man, it's just a good combination. It's a good theme. These three colors, man. The trifecta. The trifecta effect. So yesterday, I gotta finish these up. I gave them some touches. Did what I could, man. I know it's kind of shitty. It's all patched up, different colors, but even this chrome and purple color, like, not like, I don't know, it's a different, like a burgundy. I don't know what. It's a weird, cool color, but it's not brown. It has like a purple tone to it. But yeah, that's a good combination with the silver. Yeah, so these are done. Just gonna maybe give them another touch. Might as well. And then just put them up. So I gotta do these two, finish these two. I gotta finish building some shelves. So I'm gonna build another shelf right here. Right here. Hopefully it fits. And then I'll put those ponds and yeah, just organize it. So I gotta move these out of the way. Which most likely I'm gonna transfer them here. This little space. Just kind of stack them up. Yep. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright. And unfortunately I cannot find my tripod. Literally, I think someone stole it or it's been misplaced real bad. But I already looked for it. And it sucks, man, because I can't record like I used to. That thing was awesome, man. I loved it. Thing came through. I don't know where is it at? I don't know where. I have no idea. I've already looked for it. But the house is a mess, so I gotta really step it up as far as like utilizing all this stuff, setting things up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish this up right here. Finish organizing this real good. Let's see. Yeah. I was thinking of putting a shelf here too. Putting these in shelves. Yeah, I gotta think. I gotta work. I gotta do things. where I'm at. So what I guess I'm gonna do to make space, get rid of those shelves that I painted. I'm gonna make a shelf right here. That's what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna make my stack of bricks. Move this out of the way. Alright. Well, that's the update, my peeps. That's what's going on. That's what I'm doing.